Hello guys, and welcome to another segment of Kirby with Kevin. Today we're going to be going over the shampooer and functionality. Let's get into it. So first things first, first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take off this power head, right? So if you want to take off the power head, you'll probably see this in one of my other videos. I relate it to taking off pants a lot. So if you're sitting down, right, you want to go ahead and stand it up. Make sure it's lifted all the way up. Go ahead and lift the shirt up, right? And you have your button here and you have your belt, right? First thing we're gonna do is take your belt off before you unbutton your pants, right? So we're gonna put that red to red and then go ahead and unbutton these pants, right? And then those pants drop, okay? We're gonna go ahead and take that baby off, all right? And now we'll get up here to the bag system, all right? So we'll go ahead and punch this baby out and then go right up underneath here. And what you're gonna do is pull away from the Kirby, just like that. All right, so now everything is off and it's good to go. I'll make sure we're standing all the way up again. All right, so now we're getting to putting the shampooer together. All right, here is your Kirby shampoo system, right? You got your tank here, you got your mop brush, you got your hard floor cleaner, concentrate, you got your shampoo, spray nozzle, and everything in here, right? So when you take your head out, first thing we want to do is make sure the belt is caught. All right, so if you look inside of here, as we can see, the belt's not all the way caught. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and pop this baby out, and you want to go ahead and put it all the way red to red. So now you can see that the belt is caught inside of there. And we can see that your brush roll is in there nice, right? But this part, I'm gonna have to center that. So we're gonna release it a little bit, and we're gonna center that belt. Just gonna slide it over a little bit, about right there. And now we're gonna go ahead and grab it again, just to make sure everything's nice and symmetrical, okay? So now you can go ahead and put on your power head, right? I line this up to this little piece here. Line this up to here. All you're gonna do is tilt it back just a little bit and slide it right on up there. All right, and if you can see, these hooks, they're gonna hook right on top of there. If you can see, right in there. They're gonna hook right on top, and then this safety is gonna go right into there. All right, so then you just rock it up to the wall, and then you just lock her down. Just like that. Rock it up to the wall and lock it down. All right, so now we'll go ahead and put your belt out. And we'll go ahead and switch it on over green to green. Now it's ready to clean. And you can watch your brush roll activate when you do that too. Go ahead and throw in your debris tray. You're gonna have a splash guard that goes in right here inside of the hole. And then again, inside of this hole, all right? So now that's set. Go ahead and close her down. You're gonna have your tank. Your tank goes on right here. Just your little thumb, you're gonna line these up. And then twist towards the Kirby, just like that. And last but not least, before this shampooer system is complete, we have this guy. I always want to keep an eye on this. You cannot shampoo without it, right? But this actually helps send the soap to the power head, right? So you need this to shampoo. All right, so keep an eye on this one. What I like to do is shove this right on up here, all right? And then we go ahead and shove this up right here. Right there. All right, so now we got that L shape hooked up, and now your shampooer is ready to go. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take off this tank because we're gonna fill it up with hot water. I think we're only gonna do about 1 line per hot water. All right, every line that you do hot water, it's gonna cause for 1 capful of solution. All right, let me show you what a capful looks like. 1 capful is right at this first rim. That's it, no more, no less. All right, so if you fill it up to line 1, you're just gonna use 1 capful of solution. Line 2, 2 capfuls, all right, and so on and so forth. All right, guys, so we're looking at 1 line full of water here. And now we'll go ahead and add our solution, all right? And right about there, that's 1 capful for all of you guys there, all right? So go ahead and put that in there. pour that in, just like that, and then go ahead and top her up. All right, and then I'm gonna go back and add it to your Kirby system. All right, go ahead and pop that baby right back on there. We'll go ahead and pop this baby right back on here. All right. As you can see, guys, I'm holding the phone, so you can do this with one hand. All right. So there we go. Everything's nice and hooked up. All right, now it's ready to use. All right, guys, so now we have the Kirby system here. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and look at some settings. We have off, we have hard floor, we have carpet. All right, to do your carpet cleaner, start your shampooer, you want to put it on carpet. That's going to send the suds to the power head. All right. You want to go ahead and put it on drive, right? And this is also touch control, right? You're gonna put it on drive. For this portion, right, you want to make sure that you're all the way down, right? So all the way down on this one, right? And now you're ready to go with your shampoo system, right? So all we're gonna do is turn it on here in the back, and we're gonna watch the soap come through right around there, okay? That's how we go ahead and start our shampooer. You do want to keep this in a continuous motion because the soap is going to keep coming through. So if you don't have it in continuous motion and it's steady, the soap can start piling up over here and start overflowing inside of your tank here. All right, but that is how we go ahead and shampoo. So now we go back and extract. But before we do that, I'm going to turn it off, and now we can go back and extract. All right, we're going to turn it off. That way no more soap is going to come through here. All right, and now we are good to go. Turn it on, and we'll go back and extract. The cool thing about this is once you're done shampooing, you go back and extract because it's not going to be soaking wet. And actually, if you turn this around, it's going to be bone dry on the bottom of your carpets, right? So that is going to be how you shampoo your carpets.